Hey parents of Summit Christian Academy, my name is Ben Schettler. I'm the founder of the Center for Truth in Love. And if you've examined culture at all, you realize how much untruth exists in our culture. And unfortunately, our children are some of the biggest victims of untruth in our world. And so I'm looking forward to speaking to them. But before I even speak to them, we have a special event planned for you to help you better understand the untruth that your children are encountering and how you can equip them with biblical principles and practical help to guide them through the challenges of our culture. I have found that there is a widening gap between the way students, teenagers think and the way their parents think. And I want to kind of bring that together. And I'll say this, I know a lot of children want their parents to be there at their sporting event or their speech or their music event. But I can tell you as a teenager, one of the biggest things I wanted was my parents to understand me. And I hope you'll come because the time that we spend together, I promise you, you will leave better understanding how your children think and how you can equip them to thrive in the world that God made. So I look forward to seeing you there. Once again, my name is Ben Schettler, the founder of the Center for Truth and Love, and I look forward to seeing you at Summit Christian Academy in just a minute.